Welcome to Melodic Dictation Easy Part 2 with your Let's Do It. Instructions. As per the first video on this topic, you will be required to use manuscript paper, pencils and erasers. You will need to start on a middle C, also as per the first video. This middle C could now be either a quaver or crotchet. Most of these exercises in Part 2 will use only crotchets and quavers and will centre around the C major scale again. Most will be 2 bars in length. You are encouraged to complete the rhythm above the stave, first using rhythm, stick or slash notation, then to sketch in the pitch of the melody. If it helps, draw a squiggle below the stave, roughly outlining the shape or contour of the melody. Eventually, you need to be able to do this mentally as well. It helps if you can develop an inner visual eye for this work, where you can see yourself putting the notes on the stave. Remember to identify steps, skips or leaps in your oral analysis of melodies you are transcribing. Easy melodic dictation number 1. There is now what we call an arpeggio in this melody. An arpeggio is essentially a broken chord. In the key of C major, based on C major scale, we would be using the notes middle C, E, G and high C to create this arpeggio. Let us now listen to the melodic dictation example. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 1. Easy melodic dictation number 2. We are now introducing the octave leap. In this example, you will hear an octave leap moving down. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 2. Study it carefully and make notes comparing it to your answer. Easy melodic dictation number 3. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 3. Take note of the repeated quavers. Easy melodic dictation number 4. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 4. Easy melodic dictation number 5. This melody has leaps in it. This exercise only uses crotchets, so you can listen carefully for the leaps. And here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 5. Take time to study it carefully and compare it to your answer. Easy melodic dictation number 6. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 6. Easy melodic dictation number 7. And here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 7. Easy melodic dictation number 8. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 8. Easy melodic dictation number 9. And here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 9. Did you notice any compositional techniques being used in this work? That's right, there is a sequence in this piece. Easy melodic dictation number 10. And here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 10. Notice all of the perfect fifths in this melodic dictation example. Easy melodic dictation number 11. Watch out for the octave leap in this melody. See if you can work out what the second leap is. Don't forget, you can replay each audio task as many times as you need to. And here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 11. Does the opening of this melody sound like a well-known tune you have heard before? Yes, that's right. It sounds a little bit like Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Easy melodic dictation number 12. Another melody with some tricky aspects to it. Clue, a large leap at the start and an unusual melodic shape at the end. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 12. Easy melodic dictation number 13. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 13. Easy melodic dictation number 14. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 14. Easy melodic dictation number 15. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 15. What are the key features of this melody? Does it sound final, complete, total? If so, or if not, why? The last 4 melodic dictation examples are challenges. Each of them have 4 bars. So we are up to challenge time. This is now a 4-bar melody, so you need to prepare your manuscript for a 4-bar melodic dictation. Don't forget to include your double bar line at the end of the excerpt. This is now double the length of what you are used to hearing and dealing with, so allow yourself much more time for answering and crafting your response. There is no time limit here. It is better you take the time to carefully craft your response all the way from the start to the end. This is a new challenge, hearing 4 bars in totality instead of 2. Aim for excellence and thoroughness in your answer, not speed of transcription at this stage. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 16. Take your time to study this answer carefully. You will note that there is one note outside of the 1 octave range of C major scale starting on middle C. Which one is it? Easy melodic dictation number 17. This is another challenge with 4 bars worth of melody. Again, this is double the length of what you were used to dealing with, so allow yourself more time for answering. Aim for the excellence, aim for the thoroughness in your answer, not the speed of transcription at this stage. Although this next melody sounds busy, do not let that put you off. Try to create a mental shape or contour of the melody in your mind, imagining the notes falling onto the lines of a stave. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 17. Not so easy anymore. We are starting to head into the intermediate melodic dictation territory. If you got most of this one correct, well done. Easy melodic dictation number 18. This is another challenge one with 4 bars of a melody. Again, it's double the length of what you were used to dealing with, so allow yourself more time to answer. Again, aim for excellence and thoroughness in your answer, not speed of transcription at this stage. Here is your answer to easy melodic dictation number 18. Easy melodic dictation number 19. This is yet another challenge. Take your time with it. Here is your answer to Easy Melodic Dictation number 19. Did you notice the sequences? Easy Melodic Dictation number 20. Yet another challenge time. This one now moves below middle C. See if you can work this one out with the attendant requirements for ledger lines. Here is your answer to Easy Melodic Dictation number 20. How did you go with the ledger lines below middle C? New area, new skill, which will be expanded upon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe.